If you are looking to buy a new smartphone around the price of 40,000 rupees but confused as there are a lot of options to choose from, then watch the full video and I will tell you 3 best smartphones around the price of 40,000 rupees and which device is perfect for you. So we will first start with a non-Chinese phone and it's Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. So in India, Samsung usually sells their flagship phones with Exynos chip instead of Qualcomm, which I don't like personally, but it's different for Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. This phone is available in India with Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, meaning even if you are a gamer, you will love this phone. This processor is paired with 6GB of RAM or 8GB of RAM, and you can choose either 128GB or 512GB of UFS 2.1 storage. For screen, you get a Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen of 6.7 inches. Like every Samsung flagship, screen quality will be awesome. It has 4500 mAh of battery, which supports 45 watts of Type-C fast charging. For its OS, you get a very clean looking One UI based on Android 10, which doesn't have many bloats. And it has the best camera in this price. On the back, there's a 48 megapixel of main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 5 megapixel macro camera. And the rear camera is stabilized with Super Steady OIS. And for front, you get a 32 megapixel of selfie camera. This phone can record videos up to 4K 60fps. So overall, if you want the best camera phone for this price, which also has very good performance, and you don't care about higher refresh rate screens, then stop this video right now and purchase a Galaxy S10 Lite. You won't regret it. So the next phone in our list is iQOO 3. iQOO is a sub-brand of Vivo and they enter Indian market with iQOO 3. And this phone is powered by latest Snapdragon 865 processor with UFS 3.1 storage, meaning this is the fastest phone you can buy under 40,000 rupees. If you are a gamer, this phone can run PUBG at HDR extreme settings, which are highest settings available in PUBG. This phone has a screen of 6.4 inches, which is a Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen with 90Hz of refresh rates, and it is very bright screen at 800 nits. For battery, you get a 4400 mAh of battery, which is good and you can charge it with a Type-C cable, and it supports up to 55 watts of fast charging. Coming to cameras, it has a quad camera setup on the back, a 48 megapixel main camera, 13 megapixel telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom, and 13 megapixel of ultra wide camera with 2 megapixel of depth sensor. For front, you get a 16 megapixel of selfie shooter and it can record videos up to 4K 60fps, but it doesn't have any kind of optical image stabilization, but it does have EIS. So overall the cameras will be good. It has iQOO UI based on Android 10 for operating system and has many features for gaming. And as it is a 90Hz panel, user experience will be really smooth. You can choose either 8GB or 12GB RAM and up to 256GB of storage. So if you want the best performing phone under 40,000 rupees, then this phone from iQOO will be perfect for you. If you like the video so far, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and a sub to the channel will be very nice. So the last phone in my list is Oppo Reno 10X. The main highlight of this phone from Oppo is 10x zoom camera, but even if we ignore this phone has a very good configuration. First is that it has a Snapdragon 855 processor, so there will be no issues in performance. And you get UFS 2.1 storage with this phone. Coming to its screen, it has a 6.6 inches of Full HD Plus AMOLED screen, and the best thing about this screen is that it doesn't have any notch. It has a 4000 mAh of battery and it supports up to 20 watts of fast charging. Slower than competition, but it's good. For camera, it has a triple camera setup on the back, a 48 megapixel main camera, a 13 megapixel telescope camera with 5x optical zoom and 10x hybrid zoom, and a 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. And it is stabilized with OIS. For the front, you get sharp fin racing camera of 16 megapixel, and with this phone you can record videos up to 4K 60fps, and this phone has very good performance in low light scenes. Out of the box, it comes with ColorOS based on Android 9 and you can upgrade it to Android 10. You can buy the top variant with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage for 40,000 rupees. So if you want a very good camera with optical zoom and a very good performance, then this phone can be perfect for you. I also wanted to add Asus ROG 2, but I think iQOO 3 will be better gaming phone than ROG 2. So that's all from my side. Tell me in the comment section if you know any other smartphone, or feel free to ask any question. I'll be happy to help you out. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share with your friend who might be thinking about getting a new phone. And if you subscribe, it will really motivate me to make more videos like this. Thanks, I will see you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe.